Hi students, today is February 10th, which is a Wednesday. I wanted to go over your assignment for you, so please make sure you take attendance for February 10th. And then open your agenda. When you open your agenda, you will notice that the work for today is linked. So please go to Wednesday, which is slide 4. You are going to work in your project organizer. So if you click on this, it will take you to your Google Classroom. It will take you to your project organizer tab. And what you're working on is you're opening your project organizer and you're going in there. It should have your name on it. And you also should probably open mine as a reference point, what you guys are going to be doing, okay? So I'll open up mine to go through it with you guys. Today's work, you are going to scroll down and you just finished task 1. So you're going to put your thoughts together for task 1 and everything that you learned, and you're going to answer these questions. So scroll down to task 1. And it's asking you, where is it located? So the region that you selected, where is it located? The region you selected is in this box right over here. Mine was Oymyakon in Central Siberia. So I would type in my location, my place that I chose is Myanmar, and I need to then do some research to find out where that is. So I did a little bit of research. I said, where is Myanmar located on the globe? And it showed me where it is. I actually went to Wikipedia. I know you've been told not to use it, but I think it's okay in this case if you want to see where your location is. If you don't want to use it, that's fine. You can use Google Maps, but basically you're trying to find out where is it located. I said mine is located in the northern hemisphere and it's by Russia. Then it wants to know, how can its location on Earth explain the typical temperature in the region? So the typical temperature in the location I selected is cold. I talked about the temperature it has. And now I need to say, how can I explain the typical temperature? Well, and now I need to explain why is it so incredibly cold there in the northern hemisphere. Again, I have to probably talk about the sun's rays, the tilt of the earth, and why it is cold. The last thing they want you to do is draw a sun-earth model to show and explain a major cause of your region's climate. So here, I wrote in blue what you need to do. You need to go to Insert, select Draw, draw your model, and then insert it. But before you insert it, make sure you click in the box. And I kind of made a model of it and I put it in here. So this is going to take you some time. I indicated what this red line is. I showed where Oymyakon is in Russia, by Russia. I explained the location is on the northern hemisphere and it gets less direct sunlight, right? And that's why it's cooler because the tilt of it is away from the sun, especially in the winter time. It's even more cooler. So anyways, you're making a model and then you are going to turn it in, okay? Once you are done, this whole project organizer task 1 is going to be due next Tuesday, but I think you should work on it and finish it so that you don't have a lot to do because it's quite a lot of work. All right, keep up the hard work.